Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to access QuickShare quickly on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Samsung's QuickShare is now even faster to access with One UI 8. You can simply open it from the Quick panel menu, letting you share files, photos, and videos with any nearby Galaxy devices or even Windows PC seamlessly. So first, you want to go ahead and bring down the Quick panel menu, then expand these icons. Now from here, find QuickShare. So as you can see, QuickShare is already selected on for me. However, it's only contacts. So I can go ahead and tap on it again. This will take me to my QuickShare menu. Now here I have two options, receive or send. If I want to send file, I can go ahead and select a file, tap done. This will tell me how many images I'm sending, how big is the files. Then I can go ahead and start scanning any nearby Samsung Galaxy devices. So this removes the need for any third-party apps for sharing. It's extremely fast and secure compared to Bluetooth, and this is great for collaboration, school or workplace sharing. So there you go guys, that is how to access QuickShare on your Samsung Galaxy device.